Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusuafo Efia Schwarzenegger na okase na ochre se NDC fo omo biggest mistake omo aye ene so omo elect oman Dada Mahama so omo yobo flag bearer. Say we ne party 2024 yi oman Dada Mahama wan we party na Efia Schwarzenegger chese nyona. Ese Mahama ere because NDC fo omo nye serious. Say NDC party no omo ye serious pa say omo pa konwe di omo beje akonwa na fi NPP fu nsem abeboa Ghana fo a Efia sen konji ni say NDC fu be choose oman Dada Mahama sa omo ye flag bearer mana because oman Dada Mahama do be winda na so china enya de Ghana fo e beto abande aba no adan yen ko dina ballot boxing na sheet da ho ballot paper da ho ni ya show oman Dada Mahama na ni ma de etim ni so for what reason adan intend this for so mu do be fufuro na eba ene ye keni na ne nsem o kan ye hu se ampa obeboa Ghana dia why not because o man Ghana ni eyiyo ti na ye kasa se na o man Ghana ebetu pon o man Ghana ni bebia ho be ebeto no enti na ye kasa ye bere na o man Dada Mahama o be president aye ni mi de o ye o didum so collapse businesses dum so nti companies akese e wo Ghana hedwane koyi ene about time for warrior mo operation light of fine na ebi mu awu just cost of no mo na ma say na mo akoto agu youth ko kasa mo pa adwuma ya omo so mo ni adwuma wo ye magdishe teachers o man Dada Mahama to yakatiem omo so mo ni ska na nurses full su o man Dada ya Mahama ye president nurses na teachers demonstration omo call Ghana high demonstration ketwa NDC for anti omo case this is omo Dada Mahama dey na baye Efia Schwarzenegger say NDC for mo ready and come from Dada Mahama ba yenti ense mo dey etodwa
bas branding no ye bebusa and confirm no saying and confirm no omo ko school Burkina no nti so omo kosua law cranka 8 years omo wie omo kosua se de twetwa nipa nkomo wie enu ana mo kodue aye hamatan season no sika sen ne komu sika sen blocks na mo pentema wini power enti muti gurura mu no ewo hen Sagrema housing project no ewo hen da be na mbekọ commission you are a disaster all of you are thieves NDC mo ya Kromfuo NPP mo ya Kromfuo so we will choose our thieves wisely right about now NDC you are not ready go and sit down 4 years time come back with a plan because your candidates and the running mates we will not give Ghana to them and the people surrounding them who are desperate we're not giving Ghana to you people. We're not giving Ghana to you people. Me say abanoman to Korana we will make sure some because we will not reverse Ghana. We will not reverse Ghana. Yeah, reverse Ghana. Yeah, unkoyechi. You should have presented us a very serious candidate. You should have presented us an 8 years plan. More presenting a 4 years plan. How do you present a president who's got only one term? See, I'm going to Abamano. No much pepe on. NDC for you. What you did yesterday was so wrong. Because this message, and I come on to say me baby amodebeko. Now me see me baby amodebeko. You bring us somebody I can one term. So I'm not making a campaign. You think we are stupid? Eh? You think we are stupid? You people are very wrong. You are so wrong for thinking like that. Ghana for your dream you. Don't come and tell us obi wieska. Most so moya Kromfuo. Moya over 2 men this in Katoma Kwadonko. Let's spoil our votes. My dear, congratulations. You will sit in opposition and plot and plan well. When ya papa. Mwanya papa. Chese, hey, omuti e cheni nyomo ye time. Hey, MPP for ne discan ye ba. Ye ba. Se mwini ye dada. Ye ba. Mama. You are not, you mama. Mama baby. Forget it. Forget about it. And easy. Mama. Ghana is not for me. Ghana is not for me. But I'm telling you on authority. Even if you don't vote for Bawumia, he's the next president of Ghana. Deal with it. Deal with it. Only because we don't have a candidate. It's the truth. NDC did not present a candidate to us. NDC did not present an 8-year plan to us. Mokasi Ejimio. Yamfa Ghana mama for 4 years. Na mo me no kampru. Na ye ho chire ye chan de ye ho chire ye no. Who are you to say that? I'm a tax-paying Ghanaian. I'm a Ghanaian who has followed politics all these years. And more so, I am a Ghanaian who is more informed than you and intelligent than you. That's why I'm telling you intelligence. Never, NDC, never again. Me say, when we need with authority. You are not coming to Ghana. You are not coming to mess Ghana. God forbid. You are not coming to mess Ghana up. God forbid. Eyediazem. Me want I was where here. No. Me want I was where here. Your pocket is very. There's nothing good about this. There is nothing good about it. And Kawana ex a gino. And Kawana ex a gino ban. What's a mammy? Me man show me. Inti me koye no me hu sadie we ma anye ni ye inti metene no me hu sadie we ma anye ni ye inti metene no me hu sadie we ma anye ni ye inti metene no there be na ye S-way di obaye no ai we ukuno no ni ti achia ukuno no oya ashawa ukuno no oya say never again never again never again never again never again never again never NDC, you people didn't want power. If you wanted power, you wouldn't have voted for John Mahama. You don't want power. You are not serious for power. And when you voted for John Mahama, you brought that woman with the wig. You are not serious for power. I am telling you the truth. Mo problem gosu. Na mi tiwe ni makofa abrokwa. Ma bodamti. Na mi tiwe. Na ma tiwe ya. Ye soguma no chill. Na anwada. Then the 2nd or 3rd of April. Ya koje Samsung Ultra 24. Say ya see you be new Ghana. No makofa abrokwa. We don't need our S. NDC, never again. Never again. Never. Me say, and kaya bano. Oh yeah, deal. I want a person for so no. Deal. Christian deal. I want person for so. Let me close it and now you feel it. Aye. Me say, ye es no bano. Or say, me try national allowance, mama, what's not you say my nadie. Tini bano, me be share nurse for. Me bano, me ba be share school for. Me bano, me the way babe to kwemu, 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 say yes. Papa ya ready. E dey no mo dey ba, there be. Na do awia yen na do awia yen na de me mia me do do na do awia te se de mo awia yen te se de mo awia yen I am mad like your stupid father te se de mo awia yen I am mad like your good for nothing father te se de mo awia yen and this mo awia ya na and this mo awia Ghana sika say na mo di Bas Brandon mo ba convert $1. Bas Brandon no say na mo di ye say na mo di Bas Brandon no ye be busa and confirm no mo ko school Burkina no nti so mo ko sua law kranka 8 years o mo wie Omo kosua se de twetwa nipa nkomo wie. Enua na mo kodua ye. Hamatan season no, sika sen ne komu. Sika sen. E-blocks na mo pentema winning power. Enti muti gu wura mu no, ewo hen. Sagrema housing project no, ewo hen. Dabe na mbekwa commission. You are a disaster. All of you are thieves. NDC, we are Kromfuo. MPP, we are Kromfuo. So we will choose our thieves wisely. Right about now, NDC, you are not ready. Go and sit down 4 years' time. Come back with a plan. Because your candidates and the running mates, we will not give Ghana to them. And the people surrounding them who are desperate.